Hello. Welcome to the MilStuff channel. In this episode, we were going to talk about the A-10 Thunderbolt II, an American flying gun who never replaceable of all time. No matter how advanced smart bombs get, and no matter how stealthy and quick an aircraft can become, the A-10 has one factor that guarantees it can never truly be replaced: its gun. These days, pretty much any warplane can drop guided munitions with pinpoint accuracy, but what makes the A-10 so special is one of the only weapons used by the U.S. Air Force that isn't precision-guided, the 30mm GAU-8/A Avenger gun with 1,150 incendiary rounds. In a recent press release, Air Force Colonel Sean McCarthy, the 447th Air Expeditionary Group's commander, explained in a U.S. Department of Defense release exactly why the A-10 can do missions no other plane can. McCarthy, who commands 550 airmen operating out of Turkey's Incirlik air base, revealed that deliberate targeting of ISIS assets in Syria accounts for only about 10% of airstrikes carried out from the base. The other 90% are dynamic strikes or strikes where troops on the ground call in for airstrikes. This is where the Warthog shines. McCarthy said of the A-10's operation out of Incirlik, a troops in contact report pops up or a target pops up at short notice, and we respond. It generally doesn't involve an integrated effort with the coalition. It's just usually a two-ship of A-10s that show up overhead and we conduct our mission. The A-10 actually operates in the field as an even more precise weapon than even the most advanced smart bombs. The number one thing when it comes to strikes is making sure we do as little damage as possible, especially killing civilians. We try very hard to keep that from happening, McCarthy said. So when there is any reason to believe that civilians may be in the area, the A-10 is the best tool for the job. In a murky situation, where there's no way to know whether they're civilian non-combatants or not, we don't take the chance of using a bomb, McCarthy said. That's a type of target we'll go after with the gun, he added. It's a low collateral damage weapon, pinpoint accurate, and we employ high explosive incendiary rounds so nothing's walking away from that if they get hit. The A-10 Thunderbolt is also known as the Warthog, the flying gun, and the tank buster. The aircraft was used extensively during Operation Desert Storm, in support of NATO operations in response to the Kosovo crisis, in Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan, and in Operation Iraqi Freedom. The A-10 is a high survivability and versatile aircraft, popular with pilots for the get-home effectiveness. The mission of the aircraft is a ground attack against tanks, armored vehicles and installations, and close air support of ground forces. The A-10 is suitable for operation from forwarding air bases, with short takeoff and landing capability. The aircraft has a long range, 800 miles, high endurance, and can loiter in the battle area. The maneuverability at low speed and low altitude, below 1,000 feet, allow accurate and effective targeting and weapon delivery over all types of terrain. The aircraft has 11 stores pylons, providing an external load capacity of 7,260 kilograms. There are 3 pylons under the fuselage, and the loads can be configured to use either the centerline pylon or the 2 flanking fuselage pylons. For weapon guidance, the aircraft can be fitted with PAVE penny laser guidance, electronic support measures, pod installed on the starboard fuselage pylon. Each wing carries 4 stores pylons, 3 outboard and 1 inboard of the wheel fairing. The A-10 can carry up to 10 Maverick air-to-surface missiles. The Raytheon Maverick AGM-65 missile uses a variety of guidance systems, including imaging infrared guidance and warheads, including a high-penetration, 57 kg conical-shaped charge warhead. The range is more than 45 kilometers. The A-10 can also carry the Sidewinder air-to-air missile, which is an all-aspect short-range missile with a maximum speed over Mach 2. The A-10 is capable of deploying a wide range of ordnance. For example, the LDGP Mk-82 226 kg, 500 pounds general-purpose bombs, BLU-1, the LU-27B Rockeye 2 cluster bombs, and the cluster bomb unit CBU-52 The Northrop Grumman Lightning Extended Range Targeting Pod has been successfully integrated on an A-10. Lightning ER features a 640x512 pixel thermal imager, CCD TV, laser spot tracker rangefinder, IR marker and laser designator. The aircraft is armed with a General Dynamics GAU-8A Avenger 30mm cannon, mounted in the nose of the aircraft. Using the cannon, the A-10 is capable of disabling the main battle tank from a range of over 6,500 meters. The cannon can fire a range of ammunition, including armor-piercing incendiary rounds, or API, weighing up to 0.75 kilograms, or uranium-depleted 0.43 kilograms API rounds. The magazine can hold 1,350 rounds of ammunition. The pilot can select a firing rate of 2,100 or 4,200 rounds a minute. The two non-afterburning turbofan engines, TF34GE100, supplied by General Electric, each supply 9,065 pounds thrust. The location of the engines, high on the fuselage, allows the pilot to fly the aircraft fairly easily with one engine inoperable. The single-seat cockpit is protected by all-around armor, with a titanium bathtub structure to protect the pilot that is up to 3.8 centimeters thick. The cockpit has a large bulletproof bubble canopy, which gives good all-around vision. The cockpit is equipped with a head-up display, which is used for targeting and weapon aiming, a quick secure radio communication system, inertial navigation, and a tactical air navigation system, or TACAN. Lockheed Martin has begun delivery of 21 USAF A-10 aircraft with the embedded global positioning system, inertial navigation system, which pinpoints the exact location of the aircraft. The aircraft are also to be fitted with BAE Systems terrain profile matching systems. The pilot is equipped with night vision goggles and also the infrared imaging display of the Maverick AGM-65.